Fire detection using satellite images. Forest fires are caused when source of flame, like naked flame, cigarettes, electric spark, or other source of ignition comes into contact with flammable material. It can also be caused due to dry weather conditions and increased temperatures. This releases a lot of toxic gases into the atmosphere and causes global warming. According to statistics, 6.6 million hectares of tree cover was lost to fire in the year 2022 due to various fire incidents across the globe. Hence, it's important for us to alleviate the problems by detecting and mitigating forest fire as soon as possible. Meet our team. Myself, Preetham, ML model deployment, model training and hosting. Ganesh Dagadi, UI design, UX design, front-end developer and hosting. And Harshavardhan, front-end developer. This project is a web application which detects fire or wildfire from satellite images. It is based on an Inception v3 model and is trained on a fire dataset on Kaggle. Model architecture. So we have used an Inception v3 model, which is a pre-trained model, and added additional two layers, which is a fine-tuning layer. Now this entire model has been fine-tuned on an image dataset which has images of size 224 by 224 by 3, and this together will predict whether there is a fire in an image or not. Model training. The training was done on a fire dataset which contains over 2000 images of two classes, fire and not fire. Training was done for 15 epochs and achieved a validation accuracy of 94%. The model API. The TensorFlow model is converted into a TensorFlow.js model. It is hosted on railway.com. The backend is a Node Express server which exposes one API endpoint, which takes in latitude, longitude, and the zoom factor and returns the probability of fire in the corresponding satellite image. The satellite images are being fetched from Bing API maps. So here's a working demo of the project. The entire source code for this project has been uploaded to GitHub. The live demo is hosted on GitHub pages. You can use the map to select an area you want to search the fire for. As you can see, we have received that there is no fire detected in this area. In the backend, we can see that the model has been loaded and the satellite image has been downloaded and is converted into a tensor. The entire source code for this project has been uploaded to GitHub. The live demo is hosted on GitHub pages. You can use the map to select an area you want to search the fire for. As you can see, we have received that there is no fire detected in this area. In the backend, we can see that the model has been loaded and the satellite image has been downloaded and is converted into a tensor.